Hey there, crafty people. This is Becky, and it is still Manic Monday, although it is 10 p.m. on Monday, the 23rd of March. I did not forget about you. It's just been one of those crazy Mondays. I did a lot of baking today. I just started a new group on Tuesday. And I also have bingo on Tuesday. So Tuesdays, this is 11 a.m. to 3. It's a craft group at Green Hill Estates off Geiger Road in Zephyr Hills. So I really want to do that because it's a lot of fun. I enjoy crafting with other ladies, and so I want to make a commitment to that. But I had to I got roped into baking a cake for bingo tomorrow night, which starts at 5. So that ends at 3. And bingo starts at 5. So I had to bake the cake today. I mean, I could have done it tomorrow morning because I don't have to be there till 11. But yeah, I don't like to rush in the morning. If you know me, you know me. I don't like rushing in the morning. So I'm going to be going to the craft group every Tuesday from now on. And that takes a little getting used to. I've been trying to think about what am I gonna pack, because I gotta pack it up. But it's totally worth it because I get to work on something for 4 hours, and also picked up a cake for them. I got one of the bakery ones that's 4 different flavors of bundt cake in one container because I can't be making 2 cakes and carrying it around. So. Well, what have I been doing? I didn't do any thrifting this week. I didn't do any thrifting. I made a couple eBay purchases, and I got these from a craft store in the UK. I got 2 sets of those. Finally found them online. They are Makin's clay, Makin's professional clay extruder adapters. Now, both of these sets are the same, but they're the smaller ones. So I don't have the larger. These are 1 millimeter, 2 millimeter, and 3 millimeter. And you know what? I think that's going to be good enough. I have found the other set that are larger, and I wouldn't mind having those, but they were from a craft store, also in the UK. They were twice the price of these, and I guess I just don't want them that bad. I'm not paying some ridiculous markup on them. From what I've been told, they are not being manufactured anymore. Even though the package says patent pending, I know that Makin's is out of business. So, if you get your hands on some of these and you'd like to pass them along, I'd greatly appreciate it because I think I will be teaching some other people how to extrude some beads. I just love it. It's like the funnest thing I've learned lately. But I'm also enjoying, oh gosh, I didn't bring it with me. Um, the book. I made progress on stitching up my first handmade book. I got some. I was going to use embroidery floss because it comes in so many colors, but I don't have any beeswax. I need to get some beeswax, and just is not on my list of priorities. So I ordered a roll of pre-waxed floss off Amazon. I got that. And I did the first row at the crafting group last week. So I'm going to take that. I'm going to finish that at the crafting group. And I'm going to bring my clay because I want to play with the clay. I'm not going to I'm not going to bake it. I'll just put it together, bring it home and bake it because I don't want the toxin, the smell to bother anybody else there in the group. Although the facility is quite large. We'll see. It's in the back of my car anyway. So what I've been doing this week is gathering rubbish. I'm still making the the banners from the toilet paper rolls. I'm still cutting the sheets of tin from my beverage cups, and I'm collecting cardboard boxes to make more handmade book covers. So, and I've got them in all sizes. I prefer a substantial size just because I want them to be able to put stuff in that people collect and in their travel. So more like a travel journal, I suppose. Um, so you can collect souvenirs and pictures and little tidbits and maybe napkins. Who knows what you collect when you're on vacation or traveling around. So I've got quite a collection started here already. And I thought about bringing this. I have lots of lovely papers that I want to cover these with, but I haven't watched any videos yet. The ones that I have seen, people cut the cardboard and they have these little special tools and they space it out on the paper, and so there's gaps in between, that the cardboard isn't still together intact like that. So before I take that next step, I'm gonna do a little bit more research on how that goes, because my current book that I'm working on was a book that I took the pages out of. So that's that. I'm gonna bring my book to sew and my clay to work on. I need to make some hair sliders. My ponytail's too long. It irritates me. It gets caught in my purse when I wear my purse. So I need to fold that up. I have these barrettes, like the claw barrettes, but they stick out so far. If I'm at bingo, people bump into me when they go behind me, and I can't really ride in the car. The headrest in the car bugs me when it sticks out too much too. So I'm going to make some really pretty sliders. And let's see what else is going on. I'm trying to get organized. I have about a month or so, 5 weeks before I need to head back home. And so I was trying to use up all my paint. I did make some progress on some other paintings, and I shared that over on Facebook, the BC Designs. But I don't think I'm going to be able to use up all the paint. I think it's time to pack it up and clean up that area out there, because I like to clean up and organize so I'm not living in a ratty mess so when I come back, it'll be clean to walk into. So I think that's what I'm going to do. And I found out that my church is having a flea market yard sale thing. So all of those things that I was going to be getting rid of anyway, I can take up there and put them in their sale, because we've had new thrift stores come in, and some of my favorite thrift stores have gone out of business already, and it's only been 2 years. So I'm not really sure where I would bring my stuff to donate anymore. So this is good. This is perfect, because I'll be purging a lot of stuff before I go, and I can just take it there. And then I have to plan what I'm going to be packing in my car to take home. So that's the plan. No adventures either. I haven't, we finally got some really beautiful weather, but it's only been a day or so. We had some pretty big storms last week and a lot of rain. So given that time to dry out, I have been told that we're going to have 2 weeks of lovely, beautiful sunny weather. And it has been for the last 2 days, gorgeous. So, if I can stay feeling good and my hips not bothering me, I'm gonna go up to that Hillsborough Park again and walk some of those trails and uh, take more pictures that I need to organize. That's another thing I need to put on my priority list. I have so many memory cards of photos that I need to get put up and organized. So that will be that. So I don't see any thrifting in my adventures coming up, but I got to do the inventory on the Christmas presents that I bought for my family uh, and I may go to, uh, I don't know exactly the official name, the market at Wesley Chapel is coming up the first weekend in April, and I can buy some new stuff there as gifts if I come up short, which I'm pretty sure I will because boys are really hard to buy for. So that is it for this Manic Monday. I hope you're having a great week. Oh, that cake. I wanted to tell you about that cake. Um, I'm always trying recipes I see on Reels. If they give you, I don't have to look too hard for the recipe, what to do. This one looks like a keeper. It was a box of angel food cake with a can of lemon pie filling, and that's it. In a greased pan, 13 by 9 pan, and bake it at 350 for a half hour, 30 minutes. And because I have uh, a gas stove now, it's a little hot, so I took 2 minutes off that, and it was perfect, perfect. And it looks like it's going to be absolutely delicious. I'm just going to do a little sugar glaze on there, and I think it's going to be a winner. I will follow up on the next Manic Monday and let you know just how good it was. But it looks and smells and feels delicious. So simple. And, some of those recipes don't work out, but I think this one's going to be fantastic. All right. And I have not done anything with those. Yeah. I think the canvas art is on hold. I wanted to do some epoxy on some of them too, but looks like I'm going to be. I mean, I brought some canvases down here to work on to fix some, and it looks like I'll just be taking more back because they need some details. They need some that finish messed up over there. I'd really like to work on that. I don't know what I'm going to do. Anyway, I'll be taking home more projects to finish. So I hope you have a fantastic week. And I had to tip the laptop because it looks really bright there. So, anywho, have a fantastic week. I hope you have an adventure and you make something gorgeous. Get your creativity on and have a wonderful time. Bye.